Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of pickup trucks with a beast of a machine, the all-new Ram 2500. This isn't your average grocery getter, this is a truck built for serious work and weekend adventures. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at what makes the Ram 2500 a true powerhouse on wheels. Exterior. First things first, let's talk about that head-turning exterior. The Ram 2500 boasts a bold and aggressive stance, with a massive grille that screams "get out of my way." Those muscular fenders house chunky tires ready to tackle any terrain, and the optional LED headlights cut through the darkness like a diamond blade. Whether you're towing a trailer or just cruising down the highway, the Ram 2500 commands attention wherever it goes. Interior. But the Ram 2500 isn't just about brute force. The interior is surprisingly plush and comfortable, with premium materials and tons of space for both passengers and cargo. The front seats are like your living room armchair, and the optional heated and ventilated seats will keep you cozy on any journey. The tech game is strong too, with user-friendly infotainment system that lets you control everything from climate to navigation with ease. Plus, with features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can stay connected wherever the road takes you. Performance. Now, let's talk about the real heart of the beast, the engine. The Ram 2500 comes in a variety of configurations, from the fuel-efficient EcoDiesel V6 to the monstrous 6.7 liters Cummins turbo diesel. No matter which engine you choose, you're guaranteed to have enough power to haul even the heaviest loads. And speaking of hauling, the Ram 2500 can tow up to 19,700 pounds and carry a payload of over 7,600 pounds. That's enough to handle pretty much anything you throw at it, from a weekend camping trip to a full-blown construction project. But the Ram 2500 isn't just about muscle and might, it's also incredibly capable off-road, with features like an advanced four-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, and locking differentials. This truck can conquer any terrain with ease. Whether you're scaling rocky mountains or wading through mud, the Ram 2500 will keep you going where other trucks might falter. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel SK Car Updates.